Alright, so I'm going to work on getting the audio track controls implemented. And after that, probably make sure that the artist is showing up and maybe work on these links for the artists and maybe work on the scrolling and then maybe call it after that. Alright, let's get started on the audio track controls. So that would be in components, not components, pages, player page, player page. So we have previous, next, and skip. Previous, next, play. And then in also API, Spotify, auth token, okay, is playing, get playback state, if is playing. Don't really have anything with this response I'm doing, but I'll leave it there for now. And then currently playing. So these are all gonna follow the same pattern, really. Do I want to extract that to like some sort of other functionality? I think for now I'm just gonna copy code and then CO, just go from there. There's gonna be a lot of repeat code, but for now it's okay, I think. If is playing, actually I'll copy everything within here. Next track, wait, what is this? Right there. Grab that. There's that one. And the play toggle is going to be a little different, but this one will be similar. I don't need to get the current, probably, right? I don't need to do this part. Get rid of that. Actually, I could probably leave it how it was. Yeah. Okay. The previous track, I'm not sure how I want to make that work because two things you could do with that is go to the beginning, and then if it's at the beginning, um, go to the previous. Two ways you could do that, I guess, or at least two. One of them would be find out what part of the track you're at, how many seconds have elapsed, um, as far as the marker on the track, and then if you're at the beginning, go back, or just no matter what, always go back to the beginning, and then have like some sort of timeout that if it's within that timeout, it goes to the previous track. Think about it. For now, let's just do the previous and then worry about it later. Or I'll make it to do. To do, maybe go to beginning of track, then to previous after timeout elapsed. While timeout active, or I should say timeout flag. Give me a flag set. Only go to previous. So that way, if you keep pushing previous, it'll just keep going to the previous after the first time, which will go to the beginning. This could also be a setting. Alright, I'll have to think about that. For now, I'm just going to always go to the previous. So previous, you have to have the delay, Then you want to get the currently playing and log it out. So let's test this out for now. Let's also figure out what's going on with the play toggle because that's not working anymore. One thing I maybe don't need is this. Where was I using that play toggle? I don't think anywhere. I was using it in something I had before, but probably don't need this. Here, let's leave it there. And leave this here, but get rid of it for now. Just have it do basically the same thing as these are doing. Well, what are these doing? Get playback state is playing. There we go. Is playing. Get playback state is playing. Play. If it's not playing, play. If it is playing, pause. Alright, let's try that. Let's see how that works. So let's go next. Ah, that just did the previous. Is that not working again? No, it's working. 1 second. Okay, that's working. Let's try previous. Okay, that's working too. Let's try a bunch of skips. Okay, that works too. Alright, let's try pause. Pausing's working again. Alright, cool. So, oh yeah, I need to change this, the icon too, and it's paused. Okay. So, let's see, is playing. So I need to set some state in here or return it. So for now, let's do player page. Let's say let const is playing equals. Maybe I want to return some other stuff. Is playing. Is playing. And then these are all async, so I need to await. Await all of these. And change this to await. Handle track control. Or change to async. Is playing. What? Do I have that? Oh, right. This is playing. And then what else do I need to return? The name, the album, and the artist. So, return name, album, artist. Okay, and also is playing. And then same thing with this. And this one, just displaying. Okay. Let's do like let API return equals that API return something like this maybe. I actually could, instead of what I'm doing, I don't need this. I could do, because if I do let here, it doesn't work. If I put it here as well, but if I wrap this in curly braces, then we should be good. Not sure how I want to do it yet, but I'm gonna try this for now. Don't need to wrap this as well, but to stay consistent, let's do it. And then const const and const API return, and then I don't want to clutter up this, so I'll do update state, I guess. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's throw it in here to access the state. Actually, I don't need to declare this in here. Whatever. I might do something else, but let's break it out for now. API return players. What do I call this? API return. Alright, whatever. If I can make this pretty compact, I'll throw it in here. I think there's probably a good way to do that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. You know what? I do want to probably use separate state variables for each of these things instead of just one state object. It doesn't really matter that much, but I think in that case I'll have to have several lines in here, right? Because they each refer to different variables. So I think that's the way to go for now. Can always change it. Let's do it. Instead of these breaks, I could also like just return somewhere in here. Like return here. Shorten it by one line. But it's whatever. Alright, API return, let's do console log update state. I mean, not update state, API return, state object, state object. Okay. Should we call that new state? New state. New state. Okay, let's just see what's up for a second. Okay, is playing true, name, album, artist. Nice. There is something, it's doing the previous one if I had it paused for a while and just started playing and then, let me just write that down. Fix next track if paused and then start playing after a while. Maybe longer delay. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that, but I'll look at it later. Update state is playing. So is playing is going to control which icon is shown for play or pause. Um, name, album. Let's call that track name. Track name and track name. Okay. I'm gonna take a quick break to grab some food. Um, maybe stop here only to get some food and then come back. I'm not sure. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna be back either soon or in a few minutes. I'm gonna grab some food really quick. Um, and potentially stop the stream, but we'll see. Be back soon. Alright, grab something to eat and I'm ready to go. Okay, track name, I renamed that. So track name, hmm track name. Okay, so we have all that stuff. It's definitely tempting to just have one piece of state, make the code a little bit, I don't know, different. But for now, let's do track name, track name, set track name. This can maybe set on load. Not sure about that one yet. All right, track name, set track name, use state blank. Let's say track name instead, so something's showing there. Track name, okay, and then we'll just say set track name equals new state dot track name. Should we do an if? Because not everything has a track name, right? Yeah. If new state dot track name set track name. Something like that. Could do some destructuring, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. Let's go with that for now. Let's see what it looks like. Skip. 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 Previous. What? Why does that not work? Or does it? Doesn't always work. What am I doing? Hold on. No, it doesn't work at all. What's going on? Console. Come on, man. Ah, it's weird. It doesn't work every time, or is it slow, or what? Oh, it's weird. It's not working right. Hmm. Definitely want to set a fixed width on that. So it doesn't move the volume or fixed width on this whole thing. And it's gonna be based, well, it'll be like a dynamic fixed width, I guess, based on the screen size again, like I talked about before. Hmm. So it doesn't work every time, huh? Why not? So that might have to do with the delay. Because it just grabbed the previous one. Um, that's not good. Forgot. I thought I had that set to 200, but I mean 100, but now it's that sucks. Hmm. It's not really the state that's messing up. It's like this. Just this part of it somehow. So delay is not the perfect solution. I didn't really like it. Hmm. Not really sure what to do. Trying to think. Ah, now it's doing the previous. Oh, that was happening. Oh, now it's catching up. Hmm. So it kind of works. So if you wait and then do it. Ah, that's maybe the issue. I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Hmm. Let's increase the delay to half a second. Not ideal, but let's see if that helps at all. Oh, that seemed to work actually. Interesting. Hmm. I think that might have fixed it. Not having any issues at all. Let's try waiting for a minute and then doing it again. Yeah, I might have fixed it. Alright, let me try the other thing. So I'm gonna pause it. Um, Play. It should do nothing, by the way. Reading track name. What? Did I not do an if statement? If 39. You can't do this? Okay. Thought you could. Okay. Oh, right. This was undefined. Okay. I was thinking this was undefined, but no, it was the whole thing. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So let's try playing now. And then this. Yeah, it actually worked. Just changing the delay. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, it does work. Um, maybe maybe I can like go some sort of compromise like 350. Let's try that. Um, leave a note there. 500 does seem to work. And let's try 350 for a minute. This is like not reacting. Or is it me? Maybe it was me. That seems to be working better. Interesting. Okay. There's a delay of that, but that's not a big deal. So if you pause it and you play, so right now if I hit this, well, if I hit it too soon, it's like um it basically doesn't work because it has to get is playing. And the reason again I have that is because I don't want to try to keep local state in sync. Really? Although maybe that's not a bad idea. Maybe that's not a bad idea actually. Hmm. Because what I could do is get the state based on the API, and not like always sync it up, but use the other one so you don't have to wait. Let's try that and see if that works. Actually, I'm gonna try that. Let's see. So I think I'll just have a variable that will be here. It's playing. And then that will be set on load, but I'm not going to do that right now. Could also throw the state in here, but I'm just going to work with it in here and see how it works. So I'm actually going to use what I had before. Um, what is playing? Actually, I'm not going to use that, right? Yeah, is playing. So we can update that. I could update after all the other stuff's done. So for this one, it'll be down here. So let's try this. So is playing, that's the local variable. And then down here, I'm going to say is playing equal to that and sync it up. Dot is playing. Wait, do I have to do that, really? What? That does automatically, that's pretty cool. Um, Something like that. And then do that all of these places. Basically. No, I can't do it there. So let's do it. So if it's playing, you're gonna skip regardless. And then we'll sync it up for just in case we need it next time. I think we're good. Just in case it was not synced. Okay. I see why this wasn't working. The await should have been just like it was here. And then get the property from that. Let's do that actually right now. In case I go back to that at some point. Let's try that and just see if that makes it faster without that delay at the beginning. Might help. Might help. Okay. Undefined. Still a little bit of a delay. Well, that's always going to happen because that delay, but that's maybe better. I don't know. I honestly can't tell. It's less API. Actually, it's the same amount of API calls because we're calling it every time. Not sure. Let's see, 1001, about 1 second. Actually, I'm gonna change this back. Thousand one, 1001, yeah. About a second regardless. Do I have to reload this? Sometimes that doesn't work right. Undefined. Hmm. It doesn't do it the first time because it's always false, right? I see. Yeah, it doesn't necessarily seem to help. Hold on, let me double check it again. 1001, 1001. Alright. Let's get rid of it again. Let's Test it again. The other way. If it doesn't make a difference, I'll just leave it how it was because, yeah. Because I'd rather just have it synced before it reads it. That didn't work. 1001. So maybe a little bit longer. 1001. Does suck, but it does seem to work. Maybe go 400 on this. We know 500 works. Hmm. Sometimes it doesn't. Hmm. I wish it was just, it didn't have the lag, but there's no way that I know of to get rid of it. We could go back to that SDK again, man. Oh no, I don't want to do that again. Like, that was, to me, just as bad, to be honest, as the delay. I don't know. It's fine. There's also a delay. Like, the delay is even worse because I'm not listening to the songs. But if you had the volume on, you would hear it. That's fine. You could hear it switch, and then it would just be a small time after that it gets updated. It's not a big deal. All right, let's show the album somewhere. Artist name, track name. Let's throw the album similar. Album name. I guess I could test this the same. What? Oh no, that's right. What's going on? Don't know. Alright, that's fine. Okay, and then album. Album. Yeah, let's be explicit, I guess. Album name. So make this and that. Name. Album name. And that's good. And then I need some styling for this, which will be exactly the same. Color white, text decoration, underline. Oh no, it's not gonna be like artist, it's gonna be like track. Where's that? And then we need to update that here. New state dot album name. Album name. Okay, let's see how that works out. Nice. Probably want some different styling, but it's fine. And then I'll do the artists maybe. For now, I'll just do names. And then a different icon. Where did I get those icons? Let's see here. Let's do that first. Command is skip next. Track control. Material. Symbols outlined. Oh, here's where it is. Okay. All right. This is gonna be is playing. What is it? I don't have that state yet. Is playing. Is playing. Set is playing. False. I think these went together, right? Even though I didn't have that there yet. Is playing. Then something, otherwise something else. Let's do the same thing for now and then go look it up. What are these icons? What are these icons? These are, where are they? Google APIs, symbols outlined. Google APIs, materials, material icons. I think this is what we're working with. So I play, where's the search? Play arrow. I just realized I'm messing with the wrong one. So this one would be this one. Play arrow. So this is going to be pause. And then this is just going to be skip next. So play arrow. Pause. Is it just pause? Wait. Yeah, it's just lowercase pause. And then there's gonna be a delay here. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, what happened? Hmm. What? Why is that not update? Oh, I never updated it. Let's see what it looks like though. It looks just like you would think. Case, play arrow, case, pause. Is that how you do it? Sure. Alright, play arrow and pause. Let's see. Update state. Where is that function? Let's just shorten this by doing a return on that. Get rid of these breaks. Okay. Cool. Actually, this is fine. I could throw this after the switch, honestly. It's the same thing, but that's fine. Alright. New state. Let's comment that out for now. New state track album, and then set is playing. Let's just copy this. Playing. Just like that. Hopefully this works. Okay, something's wrong. I got logged out. What? I guess it has been about an hour, huh? Alright, these are backwards, out of sync, or something. And now it never switches back. Why is that? Is there a return in here? No. Alright, I guess I do want this. Okay. Oh, it's Boolean. Um, that's why. So let me think about this. Object has key. We could do a map instead. I know that has a has. In. JavaScript in operator. Let's look at that actually. Has own property, there we go. Okay. So let's replace these with that thing. And then put quotes. Sure. Why not? Cool. Let's see if it's in sync. It's actually the opposite. Hold on. So, hold on. Let me do this. Okay, how about now? Why would it be false? Oh, wait a second. What? Why is that coming back the opposite? Because this is working. How is that possible? Wait a second. Wait a second. I see how. Do I? No, I don't see how. What's going on? True. What? I'm confused. So it's playing right now. So this will work. Is it playing? Yes. Okay, I think we just need to do the opposite. Um, once the lobby is playing. I gotta take a break for a minute. Okay. Um, hmm. So it's playing right now, and this is gonna come back that it was playing. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Because this changes the state, so it should return the opposite. Right, right. I don't know. Sometimes I just can't think. So we're gonna do Boolean. Just plain. Can you do that? Unreachable code detected. Could also do two of these, but I don't know. I kind of don't like that. Or can I just do... Actually, I don't need to do either of that. I can just do this. That should work. Because it's already a Boolean. Alright, let's see if that works. Play. Okay, cool. Now it's working. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking there. Play, stop, play, stop. Doesn't do anything. Um, Still need these question marks. Optional chaining. Let's see here. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this ain't right, obviously. Um, hmm. Wonder if it's gonna look like that if I use these testing ones. And instead of having this down here, just throw it in the state. Let's do that really quick. Let's try this. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Oops, and this. See if it formats any different. Yeah, it does. Looks better. Okay, song name. Okay, let's see how that looks. Perfect. That's a good test. Okay. And obviously that styling doesn't work and it's too large, etc., etc. Okay. Wonder why that's not centered. Let's try to center that. Player page. Display flex, align items, center. Let me see. Justify content. Okay, fix that issue, but it's still a problem, obviously. You don't want these to expand so much, or at all, again. These should not change. You don't want to have to make the user move the mouse around, depending on the song size. I mean the name of the song, length. Okay, let's come back to that later. And it's us up here. Actually, I think this is for all the state. Maybe. No, I don't think you can do. Can you do this? Uh, Based on local storage. Because what is the API gonna show, you know? Unless state is playing is true, then based on API, or something like that. Maybe set states on load, local storage, last song. Something like that. Okay. Get rid of that. Um, get rid of that. Cool. I should be also grab currently playing from here. Because like right now, um, like for instance, say I was setting this. Actually, no, I'm thinking about it. Yeah, we'll have to figure it out. I'm gonna have some better syncing, I think. Man, I hope I don't put in a bunch of this work on this and then decide to switch back to the web playback thing. We'll see. Okay. He's playing pause player. Alright, I mean it's okay. It's something got done today. Um let's fill out the artists and then go from there. Not really sure what to do after that. Well, I have a lot of things to do, but the next thing, I guess. How do we make that? How do we do italics? I actually have no idea. Font style. Let's do that. Just to make it look different temporarily. Yeah, it looks good. Maybe a different color. Weight. Maybe this should be a different weight. Let's try that. Yeah, that's good. Maybe a different color too. I don't know. Same with this. Alright, let's get the correct artist showing. And then push a commit, maybe stop for now, maybe keep going, we'll see. Um, so those artists look like just an array with a name property. Or not even a name property, just the name. Probably will want to change that. Because we want a link too, right? Alright, let's just change that right now. So we're going to return an object with the name only. Okay. And then back on this page, album name, track name. I don't have artists yet. New state, artists. Artists. Oh, I already have it actually. Set artists. It's very tempting to just use a state object. I've never done this sort of thing, I don't think. I'm just setting a bunch of stuff based on different state variables all at once, if they exist. It's fine. It's really fast, right? Like, you're not gonna see a difference. Probably just as fast actually as having an object and having the update thing figure it out, or creating a a new object reference or whatever. What now? Artist map name. Name is artist name. Oh. Ah, okay. Alright, well, get rid of artist data, I think. Let's at least comment it out for now. Have it be an empty array. What does it look like? Hmm. Yeah. Alright, name. What's wrong here? Okay. What does that look like? Artist name. Artist name. Um, back here, name and href. So, name. For now, I'll just do this. Temporarily. Yeah, I really don't like updating this. Well, I was gonna say I don't like updating this in a bunch of places, but it's two places. It's gonna be three. I don't know. If it gets to be much more, might extract it to a function. Or do it anyways. We'll see. Alright. href artist name. Okay. Artist.map. We just need set artist, new state, artists. Should be good, maybe. We will find out very soon. Something happened. Very nice. Very nice. Cool. Well, got the basics down anyways. Wonder if we could find a song. Oh, I was about to say, I wonder if we could find a song with two artists. There's one right there. Nice. Awesome. John Williams, Scott Joplin. Obviously I have to fix the href. But I don't need to make a note. I'll remember that. Is there any to-dos I can actually get rid of? That's later. That's later. Logout function. Yep. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Definitely want to do that. Cool. Maybe go to the beginning. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I gotta do that at some point. Uh, that. Wait, is this the same thing? No. Okay. I think this maybe. I'm gonna leave it there for now, but I think that's fixed. Okay. Um. Any other comments or notes I can get rid of to clean up? Leave these there for now. Um, 400. Yeah, looks. I don't need that actually. All right. So I have the basics down. It does play. It changes. Name of the song. It shows the album. And it shows the artist that you can click on. What's a good next step? I think I'm gonna stop there, but what is a good next step? Not sure. Getting the hrefs to work. I should just do that actually. Let's just look that up. That will not be hard. I don't even need to look up the API. I can just go console log this. What is this next track? Let's try console dir. See what that does for us. Probably nothing. Href. External URLs. This is what I'm looking for. External URLs, Spotify. Okay. Yep, that one. So, external URLs. I'm actually not going to do the href in here, right? Yeah, that's stupid. But anyways, before I get to that, Spotify. So, let's get rid of this crap. And then get rid of that. And this. And this. Extract. Alright, that's good for now. And then here is where I do href. So it's gonna be href, then that, otherwise blank. It's just gonna be that and href. Wait, what am I doing? I don't need this anymore. That was just for testing. Let me think about this. Null? Is that a thing? Oh no, actually. Um. I could have not, something that's not an A tag. I think that's the way to go, actually. So href, then give me this. Otherwise, give me something else. Span, I guess. Artist name. Like that. Something like that, maybe. Okay. see what this does. Ah, I don't like that. Okay, so I want to open it in Spotify actually. And I want this span. Let me see. Player page A. Let's just call it artist link. Track controls. Artist name hover. So we'll call this artist link actually. Um, nah, change my mind. Let's just do this. Span. Same style for both. Whatever. Wait, how do you do... Is it a comma? It's a comma, right? Yeah, there we go. All right. Cool. And then yeah, I want to get that link to work better. Let me think. The Spotify open link in Spotify app. Huh. Is there no like protocol like Spotify colon? Dude, you need an extension? No way. What? Guys, this makes no sense. Oh, interesting. This is 9 years ago. I don't know. Anyways, I'll have to fix that out, or I'll have to figure that out and fix it later. Alright, let's stop there for now. Pretty good progress. Let's see what we did. Look it over. All that looks good. I'll just include this in the same commit. It's fine. You know what? I do want a space here. Let's throw one up here too. Cool. I wonder if you did this a bunch, what does it look like? It doesn't really handle that well, does it? Hmm. It's alright, who's gonna do that, right? It does work. I mean, it's staying in sync with the app. That's good. Alright. Good. 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 Alright. It's a good place to stop. How long have I been going? Hour and 40 minutes. Small break. About an hour and a half. Not too bad. Cool. Alright. Gonna stop there for now. Probably be back later to continue and just work on the to-dos, work on any of the other stuff. There's also in one of the videos, I think it was part 7, I listed a bunch of things, or I said a bunch of things I want to have it do. Probably go back and listen to that. I should have wrote it down, and just see what I said. But cool. Thanks for watching. See you next time.